Walmart Spark blocks don't get assigned randomly, and drivers who stay closer to high-demand store windows usually see more consistent offers throughout the day. By the end, you'll know what actually controls Spark block availability, what reduces your chances of getting offers, and what you can do to stay active in higher volume periods. Here's how it works. Spark blocks are tied to scheduled delivery demand from Walmart stores in your area. When stores expect higher order volume, more delivery opportunities open up in specific time windows. When demand drops, fewer blocks appear, even if you're online and ready. One of the biggest factors is timing. If you're only checking the app during slow hours, you're naturally going to see fewer offers. Most activity clusters around predictable shopping times when people place grocery orders and same-day deliveries. Location also matters. Drivers closer to high-volume Walmart stores usually see more frequent opportunities because the system prioritizes proximity for faster pickups and delivery efficiency. Your app behavior also plays a role. If you consistently accept and complete offers without cancellations or long delays, your account stays in good standing, which helps you stay eligible for more consistent assignments over time. On the other hand, rejecting too many offers or letting them expire can reduce how often you're shown new opportunities in some markets, because the system learns your response patterns. Now here's what actually helps you get more blocks in practice. The first thing is consistency. Being online during peak order windows increases your chances far more than randomly checking the app throughout the day. The second is positioning. Staying closer to Walmart locations with steady traffic improves your odds of seeing new offers quickly. The third is responsiveness. Quick acceptance of good offers helps you stay active in the system's rotation. There's also something most drivers overlook. Some days simply have lower demand. No amount of refreshing the app can create blocks that don't exist in your area at that time. So the goal isn't to force more blocks. It's to position yourself where the system already has demand and be ready when those offers appear. Summary. Spark blocks depend on store demand, timing, and proximity. Your activity pattern affects how often you're shown offers. Some slow periods are just low demand hours, not user error. Next step is simple. Track your local Walmart peak hours for a week and focus your online time around those windows instead of staying logged in all day. If you want more clear breakdowns like this, subscribe for more driver-focused guides.